This is for your level methods that comes out of Chapter 5, 5C, questions 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following relations are functions? These are relations because they are ordered pairs. Functions will be every x has a unique y. So this point here at -2, -1. This point here is -1, -2. This point here is 0 and 2. This point here is 1 and 4. This point here is 2 and -5. Okay, each x value only has the one y value, passes the vertical line. That was at 1 and that was at 2. So they are functions. Each x has a unique y. And then state the domain and range of each. Well, the domain will be the set of numbers -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, because they're the x values used, and the range will be the set of numbers -5, -2, -1, 5, -2, -1, 2 and 4, and they're the set of values which is the range. Okay, looking at part C, if I was to draw a graph, 0 and 1, 0 and 2, straight away it's not going to be a function because it fails the vertical line test. So I don't need to draw any more. Function not. Therefore, what is the domain? The domain are all the x values used: 0, -1, 3 and 5. So -1, 0, 3, 5 are the x values used, and the range will be 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6 are the y values used. Okay, question 2. Sketch curve of each, then state the range of each and specify whether it's a function or not. Okay, I've got y equals x squared, but only from 0 to 4. So therefore it's going to look like this. It's going to be a coloured in dot at either end. That's 4 and 16. That's 0 and 0. So I've drawn my graph. State the range. The range is 0 to 16, square brackets, and whether it's a function. Yes, it's a function because it passes a vertical line test. Each x has a unique y, so function, yes. This one, from 0 to infinity. Okay, if I was to consider where is the x-intercept, so if I ignore this, so the y-intercept will be y equals 2. And if I ignore the y-intercept, I'm going to have x equals 8. So they're my x and y intercepts, 2 and 8. But I'm only drawing it from 0 to infinity, so that's going to be my line. Coloured circle there, that goes forever. So what is the range? My range is -infinity up to 2, inclusive of 2, but not, because the y values that I'm using are all of these y values. And is this a function? Yes, it is a function because it passes the vertical line test. That is, each x has a unique y value. And I'm drawing this truncus, and the truncus has a domain which is everything except 0 because of the asymptote. So this is what my truncus is going to look like. Is it a function? Yes, it is a function because each x has one unique y and it passes a vertical line test. And what is the range? The range is 0 to infinity, not inclusive of 0.